Good morning, Mr. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Welcome to Grade 7 Darwin of Quezon City Science High School.
So what's special about your camera? Why can it detect the camera?
Actually, it's not the camera po. It's the transmission.
Sama-sama maraming technology. Because all of these are existing technologies. President ng Quezon City. Oo.
Actually,
Ginagamit ito?
sa
Tigno?
sa Silang Cavite po.
Sila.
Ayan, Silang Cavite.
Then you're welcome to President Arang. Big here.